Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's job posting is for a remote video editor. Obviously, like all my job postings, this is a remote position and the hourly pay is up to $35 an hour. Now the reason it says up to $35 an hour is because you can either do full-time, part-time, or contract depending on what you prefer. So I'm guessing these are not preferred, these are more required. An associate, Adobe Premiere Pro experience, it says 2 years, so maybe the timing is preferred. However, I wouldn't think that this is, preferred. I would think that this is more required. Now, as far as the description goes, this is a flexible way to earn, as they say. It is for people who are passionate about post-production and they tell good stories. The really great thing about this job posting is that it seems like they're advertising flexible work, which is good. Flexible timing, like you see here, it says edit when you want, make what you need. So it says flexible schedule up here as well. So the more you work, the more you get paid, is what it seems like. Some of the reasons they have here on why you should edit with them: you get paid fast, so they do pay weekly. You have flexible scheduling. Again, they're advertising flexible scheduling. You choose your own hours. The more you edit, the more you earn. Obviously, you work from home and you get to work with top brands, create content from some of the top B2B brands in the world. Some of the required skills, see, as I said, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, sound design. They want you to be detail oriented. Now, these are obviously required skills. Now, if you have any basic knowledge on any of these right here, I would urge you to go ahead and apply, or at least on a few of them. It would never hurt to apply. Again, benefits, flexible scheduling, again with the marketing. I feel like I've said this a couple of times now. It is a Monday through Friday job. They would like for you to have an associate, so here they're just repeating themselves, and yeah, it's just repetitive information at this point. But it does seem like they're hiring 6 candidates and they are currently reviewing jobs. So if this is something that interests you, I would highly suggest for you to go ahead and apply. But other than that, if you found this helpful and you want to see more job postings or any content on how to better your life financially, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video. It really helps me out a lot, and I can't wait to go ahead and film the next video for you guys. Other than that, happy job hunting!